Hello Wrong Shape, so you'll be delighted to hear it's our last day of maths for the week and the last page of this chapter on percentages. So it's page 97, Láhanach Nócha and our topic is checkup. So just to wrap up at the end, okay, so it's just part B. I'm going to get you to do the first 4 questions on 1, first 4 questions on 2, first 4 questions on 3, first 4 questions on 4. Now, if we're to look at those first, okay, so for instance, for part 1, they ask us to write each percentage as a fraction in its lowest terms. So I'll just show you an example. If you're asked something like 98%, well, simply put 98 over 100, but they ask for simplest terms, so 2 goes in there 49, 2 goes in there 50, so 49 over 50, that can't go any smaller. What about 22%? Same thing again, I go 22 over 100, just always put the percentage over 100. Then simplify, 2 goes there 11, 2 goes there 50, and I can't go any smaller. Okay. Question 2, choose the correct answer. So they want us to get a percentage of. So I just have a little example here. We've done these all week anyway, but they want 75% of 99. Okay. So yeah, so that's 3/4 of 99. So it's 99 divided by 4, which gives us 2, remainder 1, gives us 4, remainder 3, so I had a 0.0 and a 3, put my point down there. 4 into 30 goes 7, remainder 2, 4 into 20 goes 5, but don't forget it's 3/4 they want, so we multiply it by 3. Sorry, now again, messy, hard to hold and write. 15, 21, 22, 12, 14, 6, 74.25. Okay, and then they give you the options, okay, yeah, so you need to take which one is correct. So I get 74.25, which would be 74 1/4. So you can do it for all these, and I think you're lucky there won't be any. Yours are pretty straightforward, okay, there won't be remainders like I had. Maybe that one might have a remainder, but it's pretty easy anyway. Okay, then question 3, increase these numbers by 37.5. If we mean increase, we mean make it bigger. So I've given you an example here. Increase 192 by 37.5%. We know if we go to our blue box on page 95, 37.5% is 3/8. So first we need to get 192 divided by 8, which is 2, remainder 3. That's 24, but it's 3/8 we need, so times 3, so that's 12, 72. So 72 is 3/8 of 192, but don't forget we need to increase it. So we go 192 plus 72, add them up, 4, 16, 264. That makes sense? Just don't forget for these ones. This one only has one step, but this is an extra step because we're increasing. And then next one they ask us to shrink. Shrink means the same as reduce or decrease. So it's the ones we were doing yesterday. So you find the percent and then you take it away. So if they say shrink 790 by 30%, well, we know 30% is 3/10. So we go 790 divided by 10, which is obviously going to be 79. Okay. Multiplied by 3 is 7, 27, 21, 23. So 3/10, 30% of 790 is 237. But don't forget, we need to shrink 790 by that amount. So it's 790 minus 237, take away, rename 8, 10, 3, 5, 3 would be our answer. And the ones you have are easier than that again. I think that was one of the trickier ones. So the examples I did were these ones, guys, which are a little trickier than the ones you have today. So first 4 in 1, first 4 in 2, first 4 in 3, first 4 in 4. And then looking at the mental maths, but we'll probably go through mental maths anyway in our online Zoom. But just looking at a few of the tricky ones, it says add brackets to this sentence, okay, so that it makes sense. So if I go like this, put brackets around the division, put brackets around the this one. What have we got then? 8 divided by 10 is 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 times 8 is 64 minus 60 is 4. So I've done a lot of that for you, but you can figure the rest out. Number 8, trial and error. You need to get to 8. So if I try, I don't know, try a divide or a multiply in there, see what you end up with, see what the answer to that bracket would be, and then you'll figure out the rest. Question 9, €50 jacket with a 20% discount. So 1/5 of 50. So that's 1/5 of 50 is 50. divided by 5, which is 10. So the price of this jacket is going to be 40 if we take away the 10. And then €60 jacket with a discount of 25% or a quarter. So I got 60 divided by 4 is 15. So if I go 60 minus 15, I have 45. So you'll be able to tell me which is the cheaper one there. Okay, another percentage one, question 12. Here we have a lovely dress, €60, but it's 30% off. Change 30% to 3/10. So get 3/10 of 60. So it's 60 divided by 10, which is 6 times 3 is 18. So now how much is the dress going to be? Remember, it's 60 minus 18. Okay. Question 15, you're getting really good at these ones. In 1,000 there's 3 zeros, so you're going to have 3 numbers after the decimal. What would they be? And the very last one, it asks you what is the difference in area between the blue rectangle and the red rectangle. Well, blue 7 by 3 is 21. Red 6 by 2 is 14. So go 6 by 2 is 12. So go 21 minus 12 and you should get your answer. Is that okay, guys? So well done and brilliant work all through maths in the last few weeks. This will be the last day of them now, and we'll talk through these again on the Zoom. But give them a go yourselves and see how you get on. Slán live!